Chelsea Bells. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this eye look. If you like what you see, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. I've already done all my base and foundation and stuff off camera, so I'll be going in with my Morphe 35K palette in this color right here. I am using my Morphe M330 blending brush. Right here. And blend that out a little bit with my 139 Morphe brush. This is looking a little bit harsher than I thought. I am going to be doing a cut crease on it. I will be using my Flat Shader Body Graphy Pro. I'm pretty sure I got this in a BoxyCharm. It has a pretty good edge to be able to get my crease. Okay, as you can see, I'm not the best at making a cut crease. That's why I do it off camera. I don't know how people do this, cut creases. So I am now using my JACLYN Hill Morphe palette. And I am going to go in with the color Alright, my brush isn't working that good, so I am going to use my finger. Now, I'm not going to lie, this looks like shit right now. I think I'm going to go in with gold, which is this color Meeks on the JACLYN Hill palette. And just... right here. Actually, I think I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to go in with this KLEANCOLOR palette. This is Tropical Paradise. I think I'm going to go in with this and see how it looks. I'm going to go back with the JACLYN Hill palette and use that same green and use it for under my eyes. I think I'm going to go back in with the KLEANCOLOR palette. I always like to go in to my corner lids to brighten my eyes with this yellowish gold. I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Eye Booster. This is a 2-in-1 Lash Booster Eyeliner Serum. Okay. Last, I'm going to be going in with my Physicians Formula mascara. This is a 2-part mascara. We've got the actual mascara here, and then this is like the eye booster extensions. Favorite all-time drugstore mascara. Anybody ever have that problem that one eyelash comes out perfect compared to the other? Because it's the story of my life. I'm going to go in with a second coat, I think, just to make them more full. Eye booster. Now this is like, I don't know if you could see, little like fuzzies. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. Okay, so I got my eyebrows in. Now, I'm that type of person that my eyebrows are literally never on fleek, if you know what I mean. Next, I'm going to go in with my lips. This is the Les Chocolates collection from L'Oreal. It's amazing. They smell great. It smells so good. It smells like a box of chocolates. So I got freckles right here, and then one's like right at the tip of my mouth. That would be my boyfriend betting on the Daytona. Now I'm just gonna go in and clean up the sides right here with a concealer that using my E.L.F sponge. I think that's my finished look. I'm just gonna do my hair quick.